This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Welcome to today's discussion. We're diving into the intricacies of Form 1099-SA, a crucial document for anyone dealing with health savings accounts, Archer MSAs, or Medicare Advantage MSAs. It can be confusing, but our guest is here to shed light on this important tax form.
Absolutely. The 1099 SA isn't something most people encounter daily, but understanding it is vital for accurate tax reporting and avoiding potential penalties.
Exactly. Many people are unsure about what constitutes a reportable distribution. Could you clarify that for us?
Certainly, any distribution from an HSA, Archer MSA, or Medicare Advantage MSA, whether paid directly to a medical provider or the account holder, needs to be reported.
So even if I use my HSA funds to pay my doctor directly, it still needs to be reported on this form?
Precisely. The IRS needs to track these distributions to ensure compliance.
Let's talk about the purpose of Form 1099-SA. What's its primary function?
Its main purpose is to report distributions made from a health savings account, HSA, an Archer Medical Savings Account, Archer MSA, or a Medicare Advantage Medical Savings Account, MAMSA. It's a way to track these funds and ensure they're used appropriately.
And is there a separate form needed for each account type?
Yes, you'll need to file a separate Form 1099-SA for each type of plan. You can't combine them on a single form.
Where can people find the actual Form 1099-SA and its instructions?
The IRS website, irs.gov, is the best place to find the current version of Form 1099-SA as a PDF, along with the instructions. It's crucial to use the most up-to-date versions.
Are there any recent developments or updates we should be aware of regarding this form?
According to the IRS website, there are no recent developments at this time. However, it's always advisable to check the IRS website periodically for any updates or changes.
The article mentions several related forms. Can you briefly explain their relevance to Form 1099-SA?
Yes, forms like 1096, Annual Summary and Transmittal, 5498-SA, HSA, Archer MSA, or Medicare Advantage MSA information, and others like Forms 8851, 8853, and 88809 provide additional information related to these accounts and their tax implications. Understanding these forms can provide a more complete picture of your tax obligations.
So it's not just about Form 1099-SA in isolation, it's part of a larger system of tax reporting for these specific accounts.
Exactly. They all work together to provide a comprehensive view of your financial activity related to these accounts.
The article also points to some other useful resources. What are some of the key ones?
The IRS website offers a wealth of information, including details on all revisions of Form 1099-SA, general instructions for various information returns, and notices clarifying specific aspects of HSAs and MSAs. They also have online ordering for forms and publications.
Let's revisit the concept of reportable distributions. Are there any specific situations that might be unclear to taxpayers?
One common area of confusion is understanding what constitutes a qualified medical expense. The IRS has specific guidelines on this, and it's important to refer to those guidelines to ensure accurate reporting. Also, the rules can be different depending on the type of account, HSA, Archer MSA, or Medicare Advantage MSA.
So it's not just about the amount distributed, but also the purpose of the distribution?
Precisely. The purpose of the distribution is crucial in determining whether it's a taxable event.
Why is accurate reporting on Form 1099-SA so important?
Accurate reporting is essential to avoid penalties and ensure compliance with tax laws. Inaccurate reporting can lead to audits and potential financial repercussions. It's always better to be accurate and thorough.
And what happens if someone makes a mistake on the form?
If a mistake is discovered, it's important to file an amended return as soon as possible to correct the error. The IRS provides guidance on how to do this.
For listeners who want to delve deeper into this topic, where can they find more comprehensive information?
The IRS website is the primary source. They have detailed instructions, FAQs, and other resources to help taxpayers understand their obligations. Consulting with a tax professional is also a good idea if you have complex situations.
So the IRS website is the definitive source for all things related to Form 1099-SA.
Absolutely. It's the official source for the most up-to-date information and guidance.
Are there any common mistakes taxpayers make when filling out Form 1099-SA?
One common mistake is failing to report all distributions, especially those paid directly to medical providers. Another is misclassifying the type of account, or incorrectly reporting the amount of the distribution. Carefully reviewing the instructions and double-checking your information is crucial.
So attention to detail is key to avoiding problems.
Absolutely. Accuracy is paramount.
How important is it for individuals to keep accurate records related to their HSA, Archer MSA, or Medicare Advantage MSA?
Keeping meticulous records is absolutely essential. This includes receipts for medical expenses, statements from the account provider, and any other documentation that supports the information reported on Form 1099-SA. This documentation is crucial for audits or any inquiries from the IRS.
So, good record keeping is not just a good practice, but a necessity.
Precisely. It's a critical aspect of tax compliance.
When should someone consider seeking professional help with Form 1099-SA?
If you have a complex financial situation, multiple accounts, or are unsure about any aspect of the reporting process, consulting a tax professional is highly recommended. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure you comply with all tax regulations.
So it's better to be safe than sorry, especially when dealing with taxes.
Absolutely. Seeking professional help can provide peace of mind and prevent potential problems down the line.
To summarize, Form 1099-SA is a critical document for anyone with an HSA, Archer MSA, or Medicare Advantage MSA. Accurate reporting is essential for avoiding penalties and ensuring compliance.
Precisely. Understanding the form, its purpose, and the related regulations is crucial for responsible tax management. Remember to always use the most up-to-date information from the IRS website.
And remember to keep detailed records to support your reporting.
Absolutely. Good record keeping is your best defense against any potential issues.
Any final words of advice for our listeners?
Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Understanding your tax obligations is crucial, and a tax professional can provide valuable assistance.
That was a great discussion. Thank you for your expertise.